All right, ladies, here we go. In this round, points are triple. We surveyed 100 people, and the top 5 answers are on the board. Name a reason why you would light a candle. Sadiqa.
Load shedding.
What did you say?
Load shedding.
Load
Shedding.
shedding?
Yes. When the city puts the electricity off for 2-3 hours.
Who the hell thought of that? Load shedding.
You can go.
Okay. Let me ask you something. So, how often do they cut the electricity off for this load shedding?
Every day.
Every day?
Every day.
Every day? Yes. That's stupid. Who thought of that? No, listen to me. There's a lot of electricity.
Not in South Africa.
Yes. Yes, it is. Rich people have gotten together and got you thinking there isn't enough. But they're still charging you for it. Wait a minute. They charge you an electric bill, but they cut it off, but you still get the bill.